cell research situation is it's a real dilemma, um, because one of the things that really jumped out at me, uh, with the stem cells, there's so much promise in it. It might cure leukemia, and it might cure Parkinson's disease, and it might cure spinal cord injury, and it might cure diabetes, and it might cure all these things. But in order to see if the stem cell in order to do the stem cell research, they're having to try the stem cell treatment on rats and mice and these smaller creatures first before they can try them on do human trials to see if they can transfer, if results, the positive results in mice and rats and things can be transferred to human beings. But one of the biggest things that I heard from listening to one of the stem cell one of the doctors dealing with stem cell research is there's a 95% failure to transfer the stem cell cure from mice or rats to human beings. So there's 95% failure occurs whenever you're using the stem cell research. It works on mice and rats, but 95% of that will not work. The same cure will not work on human beings. And so what they're having to do is they're having to work with larger animals like monkeys, and it's a dilemma because I don't want to see monkeys suffer. I don't I don't it hurts me to think about monkeys suffering, and what are they suffering for? Just so I can get better, you know. It's painful. It's painful to think about, and I don't. It hurts, and the only way I can rationalize it is by saying that if I as a human being, if I have to suffer because I'm going to, be enduring some kind of trial thing, then the only solace that I can get out of it is at least knowing that someone is going to learn from the suffering that I have to endure. And so all in all, self-preservation is really wins out, when you're thinking about ethical